If I ask you what is the most important thing in your store, what you will say me? It's a product, it's a ads, or it's a traffic? No. The most important things in your store is your store design. On this video I will explain how you can make a wonderful store with one click by using AI. Just 1 minute. And of course after this video you will increase your conversation rates and you will increase your sales.
Do you know why is important that so much?
Visual appeal, the design of your store, is the first thing visitors notice. A professional, aesthetically pleasing design can create a positive first impression, encouraging visitors to explore further.
And what about conversation rates?
Call to action CTA. Well-placed and clearly visible CTAs can guide users towards making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or taking any desired action. Product presentation, high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and user-friendly layouts make it easier for customers to understand the products and make purchasing decisions. Trust signals, incorporating trust signals such as customer reviews, secure payment icons, and return policies within the design can increase conversion rates. Inclusive design, ensuring that your store is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities, is not only ethically important but also can widen your customer base. This includes features like alt text for images, keyboard navigation, and screen reader compatibility.
So after guys, we need to install our app in Shopify. I will share my document, this app template on description. Search Pagefly on Shopify App Store like this and go to enter. In the Shopify App Store you can see Pagefly first results, and click this and install. I installed this before and you need to install this. After installation, open Pagefly. This costs $13, but if you want for one page, you can use this for free. Create a new page and enter your page. You can see there's an empty on your Shopify. You need to find add document, place and put my complete document on there. And that's it, your store is ready. Only you must edit a title, description, about product and else. You can do this with ChatGPT with one click. Ask a question and he will answers to your. It's like copy paste guys, very easy. Always guys, first put your product image after title, after paragraph or description your product. This heading is, I think it's good. You can delete it, but I think it's good. Yeah, you know. So after price, you can turn on this compare at price on adding product page. After order now, product add to cart. If you can edit this a big or this title big, it's more good. And contact us. I added this for me, or you can delete it, but I think trust is important, and if customer wants to contact you some additional questions, you need to add your Telegram or WhatsApp number on there. After progress after payment, you can text what will happen after payment, and this image for trust and real reviews. You can copy these reviews on Amazon or eBay or Alibaba and paste on your page. And what does our customer says? The customer reviews is important, guys. Never forget this. And every day, every paragraph, put your customers reviews on your page. Always show your customers reviews. So you can put images. I found it in Pinterest. So I found it in Pinterest and copied and pasted. You can do this also. So there you can use what we have and what our competitions doesn't have. You can compare your competitors and you. Here's I put most asked questions. This I need to change this language, but I don't know. And there you can add additional informations about your products. So that's it, guys. Never forget the most important thing on dropshipping is trust. If you gain trust, you will gain sales. Gain trust is important. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye. Choose.